Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As per the latest report from ANI, the Indian Air Force has asked the French firm Dassault Aviation to integrate the Indian weapons in its 4.5th generation fighter jet Rafale. At present, the 36 Rafale procured by Indian Air Force comes up with Western weapons such as ASRAAM, MICA Meteor, air-to missile, Hammer and SCALP air-launched standoff weapons. Since these weapons are imported and not made in India, they are costly. At the same time, DRDO has developed plethora of air-launched weapons such as Astra Mark-1, Rudram-1, SAAW anti-airfield weapons, which are of world class and at the same time much cheaper than the import options. Indian Air Force has asked Dassault Aviation to integrate weapons like Astra and SAAW to the Rafale fighter jet. The proposition makes perfect sense as Indian Navy is also in the process to acquire 26 Rafale Marine. Integration of Indian weapons will ease the logistics for armed forces besides saving forex on import. Rafale is also being operated by countries such as France, India, Egypt, Qatar, Greece, Croatia, UAE and Indonesia. The integration of Indian weapons will further open the avenues for exporting and offering this to other operators of the Rafale. It is also important to note that the work has already started towards integration of Indian weapons. On 28th October, BDL and Dassault Aviation Private Limited has entered into a Memorandum of Understanding for integration of BDL weapon systems such as Astra and SAAW on Rafale aircraft for Indian Air Force. The MOU also open avenues for export to friendly countries, and BDL will be able to offer Indian weapons such as Astra and SAAW to Rafale operators. The Astra Mark-1 and SAAW are most likely to be the first weapon to be integrated. Talking about Astra Mark-1, with a range of 110 km, it will boost the Rafale's beyond visual range capability. In future, it will also pave the way for integration of Astra Mark-2 and Mark-3, which will greatly boost the beyond visual range capabilities of Rafale. The integration of SAAW with Rafale will boost the standoff weapon delivery capability. DRDO has developed and is developing many variants of SAAW that can be used depending upon the types of operation. SAAW, that is Smart Anti-Airfield weapon, is a world-class, lightweight, high-precision standoff weapon. It is a long-range, precision-guided anti-airfield weapon designed to be capable of engaging ground targets with high precision out to a range of 100 kilometers. Unlike the normal bombs, which may not hit the precise target due to environmental conditions, SAAW uses navigation system which has higher precision but again cheaper than the missiles which have similar precision. SAAW can currently be launched from Jaguar and Su-30 MKI aircraft. A Su-30 MKI can literally carry 32 SAAW bombs with them, which can take out a plethora of targets. SAAW has a length of nearly 1.85 meters and weighs close to 125 kg with a warhead of 80 kg. The bomb has impressive accuracy with circular air probability of less than 7 meters. It uses INS GPS and Gagan for navigation. For those who are not aware of Gagan, it is GPS-aided geo-augmented navigation jointly developed by ISRO and AAI to provide the best possible navigation service over Indian FIR, that is Flight Information Region, with capability of expanding to the neighboring FIRs. Now this bomb uses PCB or FCD warhead with programmable impact delayed fuse. DRDO is also working on an advanced version of this bomb called EO-SAAW or Electro-Optical SAW, similar to Rafale's Spice 250. EO-SAAW variant will make use of imaging infrared seeker system for terminal homing. The IIR seeker has already been tested against the anti-tank guided missiles NAG, Helena and MP-ATGM, exo-atmospheric interceptor PDV and anti-satellite test ASAT. The EO-SAAW will have improved accuracy with circular air probability less than 3 meters. The weapon will have a day and night all-weather capabilities with auto-target acquisition algorithm. It will be utilizing unique digital scene matching area correlated technology to overcome GPS jamming. This version of SAAW was tested in November 2021. DRDO is further extending the capability of SAW by using dual seeker, that is the use of IIR seeker along with MMW, that is millimeter wave seeker technology. The one disadvantage with IIR seeker is that its effectiveness reduces in the battlefield conditions such as dust, smoke, rain, fog, haze, and low cloud cover. This is where MMW seeker is used. It will further boost the accuracy of SAW. This dual variant of SAW will also have AI capabilities of tracking and assigning itself both static and moving targets. This standoff weapon can also initiate self-aware evasive maneuvers if needed. So by this time, you would have understood why SAW is such an important missile for Indian Air Force and why this is good news for Air Force. It's also possible that BrahMos Aerospace may sign similar Memorandum of Understanding in future for the integration of BrahMos NG with Rafale. This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.